Students, today I am going to start chapter 22, Journey Through Europe. In this chapter, you are going to learn many interesting facts about Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent in the world, occupying nearly 1/15 of the world's total land area. Europe is home to the smallest and the largest countries in the world. The Russian Federation is the biggest country by land area, not just in Europe but across the whole world. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Istanbul is the largest city in Europe. Mount Elbrus in Russia is the highest peak in Europe, and the height of Mount Elbrus is 5,642 meters. Mount Etna in Italy is the second most active volcano in the world. St. Peter's Basilica inside Vatican City is the largest church ever constructed. Lake Ladoga near St. Petersburg in Russia is Europe's biggest lake and one of the world's largest freshwater lakes. Italy has the maximum number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the world. Greenland is the largest island in Europe and in the world. The Volga River in Russia is Europe's longest river. The Rhine Falls in Switzerland is the largest plain waterfall in Europe. Now let us do the exercise. Name the capitals of these European countries: Austria, Vienna, Sweden, Stockholm, Norway, Oslo, Spain, Madrid, Portugal, Lisbon, Russia, Moscow, Belgium, Brussels, Ireland, Dublin. Chapter 23, Doctor. So, when you suffer from a common cold or fever, you generally visit a general practitioner. But if you are suffering from some disease which is very serious, in that case, the general practitioner will refer you to a specialist. So, here some pictures are given. You have to identify these specialists. The first one is pulmonologist. Pulmonologist is a physician who specializes in the respiratory system. Orthopedist. Orthopedist is a doctor who treats injuries of the bones. Then radiologist is a medical doctor who specializes in diagnosing injury using medical techniques such as X-ray. Ophthalmologist is a medical doctor who specializes in eye and vision care. Cardiologist is a doctor who deals with disorders of the heart. ENT specialist is a doctor who takes care of your ear. Then pediatrician is a doctor who manages the health of child. Neurologist is a doctor who treats disorders that affects the brain, spinal cord and nerves. Who am I? I dig out tiny caves and store gold and silver in them. I also build bridges of silver and crowns of gold. They are the smallest you could imagine. Sooner or later, everybody needs my help. Who am I? Dentist. Chapter 25, Making Movies. Identify these professionals. 1. One who writes the script of a film while acting instructions, screenwriter. 2. One who raises money for filmmaking and coordinates the work of the various film departments, producer. 3. One who selects actor for various roles, casting director. 4. One who assembles the film by carefully selecting and combining the various film shots, editor. 5. one who visualizes the story and guides actor and technicians in the making of the film. Director. Name the first Indian silent film. Raja Harishchandra. Talkie sound film. Alam Ara. 3 color film. Kisan Kanhaiya. Tree Talk, Chapter 26. Fill in the blanks. 1. The fruit of the oak tree is called acorn. 2. The pine tree has leaves shaped like needles. 3. The mango is a member of the cashew family. 4. Cricket bats are made from the wood of the willow tree. 5. Teak wood is resistant to termites and pests and is used to make furniture. 6. The maple tree produces sweet syrup. The oldest trees in the world are the bristlecone pines. 8. The olive tree found in Mediterranean countries is a major source of edible oil. 9. The neem tree has immense medicinal value and is native to the Indian subcontinent. 10. The sandalwood is known for its aroma and is very expensive. 11. The tallest flowering tree in the world is the Australian mountain ash tree. And the last one, 12. Silkworms feed on the leaves of the mulberry tree. Take out chapter 30. As the wise say. So what are proverbs? Proverbs are sayings usually based on common sense and human experience. Look at the pictures and complete the proverbs. Too many cooks spoil the broth. 2 number we will do later. 3. An idle mind is devil's workshop. 4. Empty vessels sound much. Curiosity kills the cat. And 6, last one, beggars are not choosers. Thank you.